Why hello there, welcome to another Minecraft video. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how to make an armor stand and use it for decoration for anything, also for Halloween decorations. Well, today is not Halloween, but I decided to actually make a video in anyway because actually the armor stand is really cool feature and I must show you guys how to craft it because yeah, it's really hard to make a armor stand even without a crafting guide. I mean, you don't really want to use this thing anyway. So if you were to make an armor stand, what you really need is some sticks. You actually will need 6 sticks from this one and a smooth stone slab. You don't need stone slab only, you just need a smooth stone slab. That will actually probably be enough. So in order to craft it, you're going to put this smooth stone slab right here, and you're going to put 2 sticks on this side and then a stick, 2 sticks on top, and then 1 stick here and 1 stick here. Once you do that, you get yourself an armor stand. You can actually, I don't know if you can actually jumble this thing. No, it has to be, I think the armor stand has to be the bottom. So the smooth stone slab, the bottom part, has to be down. You can't jumble this thing around, otherwise it won't actually give you the exact result. So once you actually craft this thing, that's the map. Anyway, so you can actually put the armor stand anywhere you want, and you can put them right here. And I think the text oh about the texture and shaders, the texture pack that I'm actually using here, I'm just going to show you guys right here. So the texture pack and the shaders that I'm using, they're all combined into just one particular resource pack. So the texture pack that I'm using here is the where is it? Here it is. I'm actually using this one right here. This is called Linet Vanilla. This is actually this is times 128, and this is actually made by Kenetavo. I will leave a link in the description if you guys want to download this one, and it is supported for 1.19. Just ignore these things. I think it's a different language. Some, I don't know, Spanish or Portuguese thing. I don't know, but that's actually the texture pack involving more like a 3D texture pack along with the shaders as well. This is where you can actually see there's a fog surrounding this area, and the sun's really bright, I must say, and also makes the blocks and the other things look a bit more 3D texture. I mean, like give it more like the feel from the wood blocks from here and the things. I must warn you that this texture pack is not an RTX texture pack, and as you already know, Minecraft Education Edition does not support RTX shaders. So don't say in the comments that this is that why are you using an RTX shaders? Because it's not. Anyway, back to the armor stand. So as you can see here, I even have a skull on top of my head. The thing is, you could actually put anything on this armor stand. You can actually use it for an archery purposes, or just make for some decoration. Like it actually, like, let's say I actually have the skull in my hand. I could just right click on this thing, and it'll actually put the skull right on top of it, and you can actually do anything you actually want it to be. This is basically the armor stand from the Bedrock edition, so you can actually make it do any pose you want, but I'll just show in a minute. The poses will actually show in a minute. You can actually put armor on this thing. You can actually have it hold a map, which is really cool. It would be kind of something if someone actually would be, you'll be able to see the map that he's holding. If you don't really want this guy to uh, wear a skull, you could just right click it again. You can actually get the skull like that, and then put a turtle shell on top of this thing. That's also fine as well. Um, there's nothing wrong with it anyway. You don't want the map there, right click that, and you can actually get rid of the map. You can actually put a shield on this thing. Now, I don't know, I don't really get this at all. I think the shield is supposed to be on this side of the hand, because naturally in Minecraft you could just put the shield on this side. That's how it actually works. I don't get why you have to put it on the other hand. I guess this is something different. Maybe armor stands do not have the possibility of having the thing to be in this position. I think it will actually be a bit too difficult. Now, the handle, I think it's a bit too big for an armor stand like this size. It kind of looks more like a skeleton. So yeah, I don't think this thing's gonna work anyway. If you guys don't want a shield, you can actually put the, oops, you might have to right click the thing to get it out. Give me the shield, please give me the shield, thank you. And you can actually make it hold a torch, and it's a 2D torch, so it's gonna look a little bit different. Uh, it's gonna look really cool if, it's gonna be cool if actually Minecraft Education Edition um, supports Optifine, because actually you could actually have this guy hold lights across this area. I mean, look at it; it's gonna look like a coast. If you don't really want this, you could actually right click it again, like that, and you can actually hold a recovery compass. You could do anything you actually want it to be. You could actually even have this guy hold a gold horn, also fine as well. You could put anything, including a diamond sword. There you go. You can put any of the stuff in here. Now, if you don't really want this armor stand to be anywhere and you just want this guy to be gone, or actually put it onto someplace else, you can actually hit this guy with a thing. You can actually even do crit hits as well. But the only thing to actually be kept in mind is you can actually get this just by punching it. You'll actually get all the stuff that the armor stand was wearing, including the armor stand itself. So that doesn't mean that if you break it, like if you accidentally break it and you realize that the armor stand is gone and you have to craft another one again, don't worry. This thing, you can actually get this armor stand back. It's not like a mannequin that once it's broken you have to recraft it again. It's actually for reuse. You can actually place this guy anywhere you actually want it to be. You can actually place this guy right over here anywhere you actually want it to be. Now, the poses. I must tell you that the poses, they are all supported for Bedrock Edition, not Java Edition. Java Edition, they would have the armor stands, except they don't have the arms. So you would only put the armor and the heads on top of this thing, but not the items. Not the items. I must tell you that. Not the items. For Bedrock Edition, I think it's really, really lucky. You can actually get this guy to hold stuff, which is actually really, really cool. And last but not least, you could get this guy to do poses. So I'm gonna have this guy hold a map, and what I'm gonna do is you're gonna see this thing. So I'm gonna sneak. I'm gonna shift, and I'm gonna right click on this guy. Watch what happens when I right click this guy. Look at that. Wait, Spidey, well, how are you doing this? So if you shift and right click the armor stand, and this only works for Bedrock Edition, you could change the pose of this armor stand. That means you could use this guy. Wait, there's a hole in there. Wow. That's how it looks like when you look into an armor stand. So yeah, you could get this guy to actually make so really cool stories. Like you could have this guy say like, "Look, King, I've got a map. I've got a message from somebody else who wants to talk to you," and you have another person that's actually standing on the top and they're like, "Oh, that's really nice. What kind of message is it?" And you could actually have this guy celebrate like, "Yay!" Or you could actually have this guy like do something like blow a gold horn, or do something, or block a shield, or block something. I don't know. Um, it's really, really cool. And you can actually get this guy to dance as well. Oh god. Now imagine if this was a emote that was added in Bedrock Edition. That's gonna create things much worse. The shield is slicing through the armor stand. Are you crazy? Alright, I'm gonna get rid of the shield. I'm just gonna put the map. There's a space between the map and the arm. That's really bugging me out. Anyway, you can even have this guy walk like a zombie as well. So you can actually put the zombie head on that. And you can actually prank your friends saying, "Hey guys, look, there's a zombie in peaceful difficulty." Like, I need to run. And then you realize, wait a minute, why is it staying right here? That's an armor stand. It's not an actual zombie. Yeah, you can actually do tons of things. You can even have this guy dance around as well. You can actually get this guy, look at it, and then there. So you can actually do it anything for this one. And that'll be it for this video. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please do leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next video. Goodbye. I just blew the gold horn just to end the video. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.